Students, please write the third stanza before I explain it to you. I said mute the mic, beta. Means mic should be off. And please write this third stanza in the rough book. Come on. And then I will explain it to you again. Yes, sir, please remove this person. This is making noise. And everyone start writing third stanza. I will wait for 1 minute. Write it in the way it is written.
Excuse me, sir.
No, you are not excused. Thank you. Mute the mic. Students, you can continue in from wherever you have stopped in the rough book, or you can take the new page of the rough book. But you have to write this stanza, and then only I will explain it to you. Once you finish writing, say yes, sir, and mute the mic immediately.
सर डन ना फिर आगे बसन Sir, Hasan Kapasi work is done.
Yes, sir. Tolia.
Yes, sir, Priyan Shafiq. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, Priyan Shafiq second stanza is left.
No problem. Write it afterwards. Thank you. Okay. Now, we had no clue that the treasure was taboo, but it must have been cursed by some form of voodoo. A storm started to brew, and then, oh, how it grew! The waves crashed hard, and the raging wind blew. Now, what happened when the Andrew, who was the nephew of poet, he took this bamboo. This was golden bamboo, and this is very attractive. Anyone will be tempted if they will see the bamboo. So Andrew took this bamboo and came on the boat. As soon as Andrew entered the boat holding the bamboo, suddenly everything started changing. Poet says that we were not having any kind of hint that the bamboo, the treasure, was bad, that we should not touch that. We thought that it is very beautiful, it is golden, but it must have been cursed by some form of voodoo. So the poet says that it must be given to us for the wrong things. Voodoo means kala jadoo, black magic, kala jadoo. Voodoo means kala jadoo. So poet says that the bamboo was given to us with voodoo, so that everything started changing. The black magic started playing its role. Suddenly in the sea, the storm started. Storm means what, Ragib?
Sir means strong wind.
Strong wind with a heavy rainfall. This is storm, right? So the
Yes, sir.
storm started in the sea. Now that strong wind, if will come in the sea, it can even give the result of tsunami, right? Tsunami can also take place. But the boat was very small. So the waves crashed hard with the boat. The waves of the water started crashing with the boat and started getting into the boat. And the wind started hitting these all the mast. So, in short, full surrounding was changed and it was really very dangerous. Now, let's see what will happen further in the story. Please write stanza 2, next 2 stanza, because I'm going to explain it to you together. 1 and 2 minutes for this, 1 and 2 minutes for this. I'm going to explain it to you together, so please write these 2 stanzas. Once you finish writing both of these, say yes, sir, in your name and mute the mic.
Yes, sir. Nakwiragi Vasan.
Yes, sir. Hasan Kapasi.
Yes, sir. Sheikh Rehan.
Yes, sir. Dolia.
Okay, before I explain, I want to ask few questions related to the previous three paragraphs. So,
Excuse me, sir.
yes, now what happened?
Sir, Pariyan Shafiq only two line left.
Shafiq, why are you always very slow? Now you have to wait. Wait for a minute. Yes. Now question to uh, Hassan Lakhani, if he is there. Okay. Then the question to Ahad. Ahad is also not there. Okay. Question to Saif. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
He
sir.
left.
No problem. So Sama Mohammed Zaid. Sama Mohammed Zaid.
Yes, sir.
Uh, what was the name of the sea in the poem? What is the name of the sea? Yes, Saif. Dasari. Dasari Mohammed Saif. Okay. Mahir.
Yes, sir.
What is the name of the sea in the poem?
What, sir?
माहिर एक बार में सुन लो बेटा. What is the
Sir, my
name? What is the name of the sea in the poem? Ahad.
Yes, sir.
Same question.
Sir, C separate tattoo.
No, this is not the name of sea. The name of the sea is Sea of Sulu.
Sulu.
Okay. Uh,
Sir, someone is removing me.
what happened?
Someone is removing me.
That is not possible. Only host can remove you. Only the host can remove, beta. Anyways, okay, Saf. Now, if you are there, your question is,
Yes, sir. The sea name is the Sulu.
I know, but now the question is, what was the name of nephew?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Hassan.
हाँ बोल आया.
Sir Kapasi.
Yes.
Yes, Andrew. Andrew.
Yes, Andrew. Um. Now the next question to Muhammad Ali Merchant. Okay. Muhammad Hussain Ansari.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the meaning of nephew?
Sir, I don't.
You don't know? Okay. Ragib.
Yes, sir.
Same question.
Sir. Yes, sir. Sir, our brother or sister's son or daughter.
No, daughter is
Daughter
not.
is for niece. Yes, sir, I know.
Yes, niece is for the daughter, and
Yes, sir.
nephew is for the son. It could be
Yes.
of our brother or sisters. Right.
Yes.
Okay. Next question to Sheikh Rehan.
Yes, sir.
Now, why did Andrew shouted? Okay, no problem. Um, yes, Seth.
Yes, sir.
Why did Andrew shouted on the boat?
Yes.
Why do you say yes and mute the mic? You have to answer me.
Yes, sir. Question.
What question? Beta, I repeated two times. Where are you, mentally, dear?
Sir, my network is not coming. That's why I left again and again.
Why Andrew shouted on the boat?
Sir, I don't know.
No problem. Mm, okay, students. Now, I have already given you hard words of this lesson. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So, What you have to do is learn the hard words now. I'm giving you 5 to 7 minutes. I'm taking the oral test of hard words. Now in this 5 to 7 minutes, कोई अपना माइक ऑन करके कुछ बोलेगा नहीं, लर्न करेगा. Because if you will not be able to answer, I will give you each word to write 20 times. So it is better that you learn the hard words right now. Don't turn on the mic and don't disturb those who are at least learning. Come on, your time starts now. I hope you are learning well. Hard words.
Say that biryani chapter.
Okay, Hassan. Now read each hard word with the spelling one time, loudly.
Yes, sir. Yes. Poem number 2. Adventure at Sea. Hard words. First hard words. Voyages. Voyages. Number 2. Excitement. 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 Number 3. Adventure. 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 Number 4. Lurking. 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 Number 5th. Pirates. Yes. Pirates.
Pirate.
Pirate. Yes. Pirate. Pirates. Pirates. Number 6. Sulu. 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 Number 7th. Cockatoo. 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 Number 8th. Island. 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 Number 9. Nephew. 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 Number 10th. Canoe. 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 Number 11th. Quarter. Quarter. Number 12th. Bamboo. Bamboo. Number 13. Treasure. Treasure. Number 14. Taboo. Taboo. Number 15. Voodoo. Voodoo. Number 16. Brew. Brew. Number 17. Yes, number 17. Ragging. Ragging. Number 18. Grabbed. Grabbed. Number 19. Tossed. Tossed. Number 20. Hue. Hue. 21. Number 21. Deck. 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 Number 22. Askew. 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 Number 23. Hulla Bulla. HU
Hula ballo.
L. Yes, Hulla Bulla. Hulla Bullo. HULLABALLO. Hulla Bulla. Hulla Bullo. Hulla Bulla. Number 24. Mac.
Mac Magoo.
Yes. Mac Magoo. MACMCGOO. Mac Magoo. Number 25. Sea Serpent. SEASCRPENT. Sea Serpent. Number 26. Bucaro. BUCKARO. Bucaro. Number 27. Stew. 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 Number 28. Hiroshi Tako. HIROSHI. Hiroshi Takao. TAKAO. Hiroshi
Okay.
Takao.
Okay. Thank you for reading. So, students, that is the end of today's lecture. Have a nice day.
Bye, sir. Bye. Have a nice day.